2, 3, funky.
So this is another wig install tutorial. Already got my cap on. The first thing I do is I take my gummy Aslay your bake glue and I'm looking over here because my mirror is right here, camera's right here, mirror's right here. So yeah, so I take this and I put it across my hairline or before my hairline. So that's what I do. So I'm gonna just do that. I really have not been consistent with posting videos. And I really need to be because I was just working. I haven't been doing the hair. Well, I've been doing hair, but not as much as I should. Cause I don't know, I just started working at this warehouse and I was like, yeah, let me just, you know, take a break. I don't know from what, but I was like, I don't know. I need to self-evaluate what I really want to do in life. And I know this is really what I wanted to do, like do hair. But I don't know why I started working. So I was like, yeah, no. And then with my supervisors, they told me that somebody in there had corona. So I was like, spirits. Don't want that, don't need that. So yeah, I use this. I use this as my lace tint and shake it up. I spray it on the inside. Like that. Ooh. Yeah. So all right, so what I do next, I take this from like the cap and I just spray the tint spray on my lace too. I mean on my cap too. What am I saying? So I do this and then I do this. I don't get it like on this part because I feel like it's not gonna stay. I don't know, I just don't. So yeah, and then after that I cut the cap like that. So yeah, now I take my wiggy. So I sew a band on there and I put a comb right here so like it can hold, or sometimes I'll just like sew the back down. So ooh. Sew it like this. Oh, baby, I feel like Elsa. So yeah. I don't do my bands too tight because if I do it too tight, it literally be too tight. So yeah, so the first thing I do when I do this, I'll put like half of it like up, kind of, whatever. Oh, it was hiding from me. So I clip that up. I measure like where the hairline is on the frontal. I measure the hairline where it's at. And then after I do that, I cut off the axis, whatever. Just know I cut it off. So that too. Okay, so this is how I glue it down now. So first I cut this part into like 3 sections. So I will cut this like that. And cut this like that. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. So I will lift this back up. Yeah, I will lift this back up. And ooh, I will take the glue and put it like right here, but I put 2 layers. But the first layer I just put it on, let it dry, like let it melt in, and then I put the second layer and then put the lace on top of it. So I don't know why, but I've been wanting another tattoo. Like, ever since August, I've had a tattoo. I've been getting a tattoo every month. So, well, I got my first tattoo when I turned 18. So, I had got this lion, because I'm a Leo. And then my second tattoo, I got this butterfly. This butterfly. In September. No, I got this butterfly in August too. Yeah, I did. I got this butterfly in August. And then October, I got Marceline, the vampire queen. And August, September, October, November. September, I got this. August, I got the butterfly. September, I got Marceline, the vampire queen. October, I got this dragon. So yeah, and yeah, we're in November, so what's next? Before it's over. And I wait till it start getting clear, so as soon as I see it start getting clear, then I lay like the lace down. Okay. See you, I take this down. And I press it on the glue. Oh, hold on. I had to reposition. But yeah, I press on the glue and I just comb it. So it can just stick. And I just hold it on there just so, you know, extra hold or whatever. So I'll do that. And I check it, see if it sticks, and it sticks. But for like an extra adhesive, I like part like where the hairline is. I'll part where the hairline is, and I spray like a little bit of free spray right there. Just a little bit. And then I'll blow dry it. And then I do it too, both sides. So I'm gonna do that. My friends are on the phone.
I'm finna narrate your shit. So this is how you slay your motherfucking wig, bitch. You ain't never seen a bitch look like this, period. I ain't even cut my shit and it looked like it came out my hair, period. Look like I glued the lace, period. Bitch, so right now, I'm finna use my eyebrow shape. You can get it $1 at the beauty supply store. We not too shiesty, period. Go in there and get you one. Right now, I'm finna cut off the extra lace. A little bit close, but not too close, because I can do touch-ups later, period. So I'm gonna cut off the extra lace so I can make sure that it's slayed and beyond irretraceable. What the fuck that is? That goes in the ghetto vocabulary. Put a beanie on, so
No, beanies are really my go-to.
yeah. But with this tool, you will not need a beanie. You will definitely not need a beanie, bro. You just need to cut your shit and go. You know? Especially if you got the right glue. If the lace coming off, that nigga too soft.
No cap. That's funny. All right, so I cut the lace off. So now I'm gonna
So we're gonna cut the lace, and then we're gonna set it with our got to be glue spray. Period.
So I
I
spray.
think that's what we finna do. Just a little bit, not too much.
Just a little bit, not too much, because it might lift.
Yeah, yeah.
So you just spray like right there, like right there. So
You don't want to get it too wet.
not too wet.
You know, when it's too wet, things tend to slip.
And we don't want that, now do we?
And if things tend to slip, things tend to drown.
And we don't want it drowning.
Yes, and when things drown, people get impregnated. That's what I say.
I'm gonna use this band and lay it around like that.
Yes, this is not by Erica J. This is not by Erica J, but it works just as well.
Okay.
Just as well.
So
Get your little band, wrap it around, make sure you get all of the edge, all of the lace.
all of the edge, all of the lace. She said what she said.
And pull it taut and then tie it.
Now I do this before I like cut my baby hairs because you know we gotta have that shit secured.
Yes, before you even start pulling on the hair, you need to have it secure. So you better just take your time, go watch your little 15-minute YouTube video, and let your shit soak in.
And simmer.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just straighten my hair and then come back and then do my baby hairs and I'm gone. So I'll be back. So this is how it looks straight in, baby. This is the finished product. The Ice Queen. So, okay. I'm gonna give out a reveal. I'm sorry, but I think I slayed your babe. So, your girl BMIICHEE is out. We did the damn thing. And please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Tell them how you love me.
Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.